Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a smooth and creamy caramel cold dessert, a no-bake treat that's perfect for any sweet craving. Cool, creamy and delicious, this caramel cold dessert is the ultimate treat for any occasion. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar turns golden caramel. Turn off the flame. Add 3 tablespoon water. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Mix well and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir the caramel constantly to avoid burning. In a small bowl, mix 1½ tablespoon of flour with 1/4 cup water. Pour this into the caramel and boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it cool completely. In another bowl, beat 1 cup whipping cream until foamy. Add half of the caramel sauce and mix well. Let the caramel sauce cool before mixing with cream. Use fresh whipping cream for the best texture. For extra flavor, add a pinch of salt to the caramel. Place slices of vanilla pound cake in a mold. Soak with milk. Spread the remaining caramel sauce. Then the whipped cream. Repeat the layer until the mold is filled. Enjoy sweets in moderation to balance your diet. Use low-fat milk to make the dessert lighter. Replace the white sugar with brown sugar for more minerals. Add fresh fruits between layers for extra vitamins. Caramel is one of the oldest desserts, dating back hundreds of years. Whipping cream doubles in size when beaten, giving dessert a fluffy texture. Pound cake gets its name from the original recipe: 1 pound each of butter, sugar, eggs and flour. Chill before serving. Your caramel cold dessert is ready. Cold dessert tastes richer when chilled overnight. And that's it, a rich creamy caramel cold dessert. that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Do you prefer your caramel salted or sweet? Would you like me to make a no sugar version next time? Tell me your favorite cold dessert in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more sweet recipes from Innovent Cake and Cookies.